Hey y'all, it's your girl Sauce Queen. Can I get a sauce? Hey! Alright, honey, if you're ready to see how I apply this beautiful flame look, yes, darling, then I need you to keep on watching. Alright, honey, let's get it into the video. Alright, queen, so I'm starting this new series on my channel. It's sort of like special effects slash face paint, face makeup, I don't, however you want to say it. But I am starting this because I'm really obsessed with the other world of just special effects makeup. I just feel like it's so fascinating and so intriguing, so I'm going to dive right in, honey, and I am going to go on this journey. So if you want to stick around on this journey with me, girl, I suggest you come off the ride. All right, queens, so today I will be showing you how to apply this awesome flame makeup tutorial. I don't know what to call it. I really got inspired by this girl. I'm gonna insert the clip right over here. And so I decided to recreate the look, but with my own little twist, girl, my own little spice. Yes, ma'am. I decided to add pink. I decided to go up some. You know, I just wanted to experiment and do something fun and cool and creative. So, queens, if you're ready to see how I apply this, then I need you to stay tuned. All right, you guys. So first, I am going to start to draw the flames on my face. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, queen, so first I'm going to be taking this clown white face paint and just applying it to the skin like so. You guys, this look was, whoa, it was very intense. It was very new for me because, y'all, I can't draw. Like, I'm going to be so serious. But I was literally just freehanding this the entire time. If you don't want to start off with the white, with the harsh white at first, you can always just get like a nude lip liner and outline it that way, and then go back in with the white, because that would have like honestly helped me tremendously. But because I didn't have the nude lip liner, I was just like, you know what, we're still gonna finesse and slay with this white. But honey, just take your time. I find that what helped me throughout this look was I took like small amounts of the face paint and I would just apply it to my face. And if it was too much, like if I took out too much clumps of the paint, I would brush it onto my hand to kind of give me that balance of it being thin so it could glide on my face smoothly. Now, queens, if you decide to try this look, I need you to have patience and take your time. I need you to take a breather because, girl, it's going to take a minute. This was a really long process trying to get like the flames exactly where I wanted them. And mind you, like I said, your girl, I'm not an artist, child. So your girl was woo. I was going through it, but I finessed and I made it work. So you just gotta have faith and you just gotta do it. Now I'm just giving the flames that pointy, precise tip that they all have, because I wanted to make sure that you could see that they were flames on my face. I didn't want you to look at my face and be like, ooh, girl, what was that? Alright, queens, so next I'm going to be taking the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be using this hot pink shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my face, on the flames, on the areas that I didn't apply the white. It's just going to be everywhere, girls, so let's get started. Literally for this whole look, I'm just using eyeshadow and the clown white. That's literally it for this look. This is so inexpensive because honestly, I really want the special effects like body paint and all that stuff, but your girl doesn't have that. But you know what? It's okay. Just gonna work with what we got and finesse, period. Alright, queen, so I switched to the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I also switched to a different brush because, girl, that small one, oh no, man. Whoo, it was taking me years. I'm talking years on years on years to get that small amount of eyeshadow out of the Take Me to Brazil palette. Baby, we don't have that type of time. So for the big parts, I'm using a big brush, but for the little precise parts that are the flames themselves, I'm going to be using a much smaller detailed brush so that I can get in the hard to reach places without having to mess up too much of the framework. So next I'm going to be taking my 35B palette, my favorite eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking this hot pink shade. And notice like how I did not get all super close because I'm using this super small brush, this right here, this small brush to define those areas. See how smooth that went on? You see how easy that was? Ooh, yes, girl. Yes, queen. Yes, get into it. Alright, queens, the key to this look is really just blending, taking your time, shading, filling in all of the spots that you want to pop and stand out. So just take your time and just be patient because this look will all come together. You just have to breathe a little bit. And also, if you like mess up, like say the shadow goes within the white, don't worry because you are going to just cover it at the very end. Like you're going to go over it with the white. So girl, it's okay. Alright, you guys, so to make the look flow, I added this white line on my lip, and then I just added this NYX liquid suede lipstick in the color Buzzkill. And now so after I applied that lipstick and I let it dry for a little bit, I literally just went over both of my lips with the pink shadow that I applied all over for the flames, just to make my lips pop even more. Now I'm just gonna like clean up everything. I'm gonna add more powder in different places, and it's gonna take a little minute, girl, but we got this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Also, you guys, I switched to a very smaller brush, this brush right here, for the flame area where I could really get into the flame, child, because I wanted this look to be as precise and lit as possible. Alright, queen, so just to let you know, I am also going back in the Back to Brazil palette, and I am applying the same pink all over my flame area and all underneath in my jawline, all that stuff to make it pop and to make everything look snatched, girl. Snatched, yes ma'am. Also taking it in this small flame area. Alright, queen, so now I'm going to go back in with the white and I'm going to fix all of the pink smudges. Alright, queens, so this step is super important. I am going over the first layer of the white because I want every single flame to pop and stand out on my face. So you really, really, really have to take your time with this and really define the flames. Also, off camera, I fully connected the flame that comes up on my face and above my brow. I just use that small little section where my eyeshadow is underneath my brow to connect it so it will flow. All right, queens, so once you feel like you've had everything done, you shaded all of your shadows in and you filled everything and you popped everything with a little white, honey, now you're going to take the NYX white liner and I'm going to start to just put some dots. Alright, queen, so I'm going to attempt to do a star. Shout out to my friend DJ because woo baby, I was struggling. I tried one on this side. Now let's see if we can do it on the other side. Okay. So queens, for the detailing, I decided to add some stars and some little dots to try to give it some spice. But I mean, honestly, you can add whatever you want. You can put whatever you want within the flames. Or if you just want to keep it solid without all of the extra added detail, you can do that as well. It all depends on what you're going for. Also, y'all, this was literally like my first time drawing this type of star on my face. So don't flame me, y'all. I know I need some work, but I'm just starting out. Okay. Yes, shout out to my friend DJ, period. He helped me slay, honey. And my friend Will and DJ, y'all the real ones, okay? Period. Alright, queens, so now when you feel like you have all the stars and all the little detailing that you want, now I'm going to add a small little amount of pink eyeshadow to my nose. You just really want to do like a light amount. You just like want to cover your nostrils a little bit. And then I'm just going to go over with my Jaclyn Hill palette, the same pink. And I'm just going to go over it a little bit. Alright, queens, this is the finished look. I had so much fun doing this look. Child, it was a lot of work, but it definitely paid off. Thank you so much for sticking around for my channel, and if you like to see more of these videos, then I need you to leave a comment down below. And if you feel like you can recreate this look, girl, I need you to tag me, honey, period. Please go for it. I believe in you, girl. I have faith. Just take your time, boo. All right, honey, until next time, peace. Damn.